Okay mga kamatis, mga kaibigan, welcome back to another content. Hindi mo na tayo mag-i-edit kasi may impeachment ngayon and nakatutok ako. Pero I wanna talk about this post ng Unhinged Company at ni Boss Toyo. Now, a little bit of personal sa amin ni Boss Toyo. Si Boss Toyo kasi nakausap ko na yan and meron kaming naging deal noon with a certain casino company called Sports Plus PH. Ako yung nag-introduce kay Boss Toyo doon sa CEO ng company na yun kasi parang college friend ko talaga yung tao na yun. And ayun, naging maganda naman. Of course, ako kumita din naman ako doon. So salamat kay Boss Toyo because of that. And nakapag-share na rin kami ng ilang conversation ni Boss Toyo sa Facebook. And I think nami-misunderstood kasi natin yung intentions ni Boss Toyo. Si Boss Toyo kasi, pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, basta positibo, hindi na positive influence, talagang siya, sasakayan. And dito kasi, kasi meron kasing antagonistic interpretation yan, meron ding protagonistic interpretation yan. Doon muna tayo sa positive. Of course, if you have good faith, mas babasahin mo yan. Ang intindi mo dapat dyan is that against lang sila doon sa siguro doon sa mga bagay na mental illness na hindi natututukan, 'di ba? Pwede kasing ganoon kung yun yung iisipin mo. Pero normally antagonistic yung dating niya kasi against yung ginamit mo. So it's a negative word. So ang unang papasok sa utak mo is you are against people with mental illness. Hindi yun yung ibig sabihin nun. If naiintindihan mo yung konteksto, yung gustong iparating ni Boss Toyo, okay? So, pero wala nasa internet tayo, people will, you have the right to interpret something one way or another, especially ito, publicly posted naman siya, okay? So, just so you know, ha? So, now, let's go, wag dyan muna. So, let's go here now to the comment section. Bago natin papakita ko sa inyo kasi yung gustong iparating ng Unhinged Company na to. Wag muna tayo sa comment section. Doon muna tayo sa movement na ganito. Kasi mga kamatis, mga kaibigan, kung mapapansin nyo yung mga malalaking company like Disney, Sony, ano ba mga malalaking company na Western companies, particularly Western companies. I think, siguro mag-focus muna tayo sa Disney kasi mas alam ko yung sa Disney. Ang Disney, nakikita nyo, may pagka-woke sila, di ba? Ang ginagawa nila ngayon, may inclusivity na sila. Meron silang mga kung ano-anong bagay na sinasaksak doon sa mga Marvel films nila, yung si Ariel naging black, ganyan. It's all in the idea that they want to represent more people, and of course, yung pinaka-overarching narrative nun, they want to show you guys that they care, they understand, they hear you. Si Boss Toyo, in a way, ganun din yung gusto niyang ipakita dito. Sureball ako yun yung gusto niyang ipakita rito, na sinusuot ko to hindi dahil kumikita ako ng pera. Of course, mayaman naman yan si Boss Toyo doon sa mga racket niya sa gold and sa watches, 'di ba? Kasi may store siya, and of course, yung social media following niya, paldong-paldo na siya doon. Ito kasi yung mga ganito, maliit lang talaga yung kikitain niya diyan, if any, malamang sa malamang pro bono yan o libre yan. So ang nakikita ko rito, si Boss Toyo dito, and of course, I'm not talking in his behalf, pero yung pagkakakilala ko kay Boss Toyo is gusto niya lang ipakita sa inyo na aware din siya about dyan sa mental health na yan. Ang problema lang, siguro, hindi niya masyadong na-gets yung suot-suot niya, yung antagonistic side nito. Kasi kayo, sa comment section, and I do not disregard your opinion regarding dito, gets ko din kayo. Gets ko kayo kung bakit kayo natatawa or yung iba sa inyo nagagalit kay Boss Toyo. Okay? At sabi ni Ralph Lawrence Hirasa, bro thinks PTSD stands for please try some drip. Ito, blood thought they were cooking, di ba? This bro even threw me a Solid North shirt, di ba? Kasi nga na-involved din siya dun sa Solid North na yan. And congratulations sa Solid North kasi Solid North had 1 seat sa Congress. Name of the endorser versus the brand he endorses. Okay, kasi nga medyo ironic. Kasi nga Boss Toyo, when you say Toyo, someone with Toyo, di ba? Iba kasi yung ano natin doon. Tapos unhinged pa yung clothing, di ba? Pag sinabi mong unhinged, hindi ka normal yung mental state mo. So, I guess they are trying to show you guys that they are also socially aware dito sa mga ganitong klaseng clothing. Pero we will talk about that later. I-acknowledge ko muna yung mga criticism nyo sa kanya. Bro, line them up we're gonna line them up for a firing squad. Kasi nga, yun nga yung antagonistic na interpretation nito. Kasi ako, I know Boss Toyo, and I know Boss Toyo na hindi siya talaga masama. Hindi talaga masama yung intentions niya, di ba? So, I just wanna clear that out, okay? Movement of an organized effort to promote, attain an end. So, parang ang movement about against racism. Ito yung protagonistic na definition. A movement against poverty, etc. Tama naman, di ba? Same analogy. Pero, yun nga, pwedeng ma-interpret dahil sa parang sinisisi sila, nagkaroon sila ng ganon. Exactly. Ito yung antagonistic protagonistic interpretation. Kasi most ng tao na makakakita yan, ang iisipin nila, baka antagonistic yung interpretation. So, si Unhinged Clothing, naglabas siya ng statement after nung backlash kay Boss Toyo. Basahin natin. We sincerely apologize for the hurt and confusion caused by our recent post featuring the shirt with the statement, a movement against mental illness, and the involvement of Boss Toyo. We understand now how the phrase could be misinterpreted and how the overall message fell short. See, kasi nga, di ba, may protagonistic, may antagonistic, may protagonistic and antagonistic way of understanding that. Of course, kung kilala nyo si Boss Toyo, you know that he does not have any bad intentions saying that. Tuloy natin. That was never our intention. Our goal was to spark conversation around mental health, but we recognize that we approached it the wrong way. We also want to clarify that Boss Toyo did not take part in the design and messaging of the shirt, nor he was compensated in any form. See, libre yan, pro bono yan kay Boss Toyo, di ba? Kasi nothing against kay Unhinged, kasi of course si Boss Toyo is a known brand dito sa internet, and I would say talaga na talent fee pa lang, hindi lugi talaga. Malamang sa malamang, if I was to read the in between the lines, malamang tropa to ni Boss Toyo, kasi marami naman talagang connection si Boss Toyo when it comes to itong mga ganitong mga clothing, mga rap game, lahat yan. Boss Toyo talaga yan. Okay, nabasa na pala natin yan. We also want to clarify, nabasa na natin yan. His photo was part of a shoot done in good faith. See, that's my point, di ba? Actually, first time ko lang mababasa to eh. But we take full responsibility for the impact it had. We are taking this moment to reflect and learn. Mental health is an important issue. Congrats! Very good yan. And we acknowledge that it must be handled with care, quality, and compassion. Thank you for everyone who called us in. We're committed in doing better moving forward. Very good. Palakpakan natin ang Hinge company. So, ngayon, just so you know, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan, and this is no way of promoting Unhinged company, pero eto kasi yung gusto talaga nilang gusto nilang ipahiwatig sa inyo. Depression is not a joke. It's real, it's heavy, but so are you. Real strong, still fighting. See? Ito, ang method ito, mental health department, diba? So, yan yung pinapalakad nila. It's kind of what Disney is doing right now and other big companies. Pero, I do think naman talaga na mas okay na tong mga ganitong klaseng pauso kaysa naman doon sa mga toxic na mga nagdadrama dito sa social media, mga nagsusuntukan na YouTubers, diba? Yung mga nagmumurahan, mas okay na to. Kasi, at least ito, it looks, well, for me, it looks cool. And of course, they earn a profit dito. Pero you also support something bigger than every one of us, which is yung mental health. Mental health is real, mga kamatis, mga kaibigan. Hindi lang physical health ang meron dito. I could attest to that. Siguro in a later time, pag-usapan natin yung case ko about dito. But you know, ako, I've seen people, strong people talaga, physically strong people who folds pagdating sa mga ganitong klaseng bagay. I'm really glad na merong isang company who talks about this at hindi lang basta bukang bibeb o lip service nila yung mental health. Yun lang naman yung sa akin for today, mga lods.